Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to close your Halifax account online. First, sign in to your Halifax online banking account. From your account homepage, go to Account Services or More Actions, then select Close Account. Next, transfer any remaining balance to another account. Provide a reason for closing and confirm the details to submit your request. Important note, for savings accounts, you can only close online if the balance is £5 or less. You have another Halifax account for transfer, and it's a variable rate account. Fixed rate accounts or those with early closure charges may require a branch visit or formal request. And that's it. Your account closure request is now submitted. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.